We go racing in 5 lights time.
Where's the fucking mic gone? Where's the bloody mic gone? Oh, there it is.
Where is the passion? So the lights go out and everybody scrambles into the first corner. Max Verstappen down the outside into the first corner, gets a run up the hill, takes the lead of the race.
Russell has by far the best start, and without Oscar here defending the inside, George was going to sneak past both of them, but actually has to just get out of it right there.
Jasper, what is he doing?
He's not done anything massively wrong.
Thanks, Paul. He catches up to the back of George Russell, down the outside into the first corner, gets a run up the hill, they're side by side going into turn 4. Pando shags it down the inside, Latte Boy hangs around the outside. They're still wheel to wheel all the way over the hill before Latte Boy gives up and accepts he's been cooked. Esteban Ocon's car gave up like a socialist pig. That brings out the virtual safety car.
Lewis Hamilton looking for the move that he's been seeking all Grand Prix.
The average Mercedes fan have the memory of a goldfish.
I got an issue.
Okay, copy.
Who wants to be an Italian disgrace?
He parks up on lap 46 of 63. Kimi Antonelli requires a full safety car. Change of position, and Lewis Hamilton sweeps on by.
Even though Osama bin Russell was trying to recreate 9/11 on the main straight,
He's not done anything massively wrong.
Thanks, Paul.
Max Verstappen's got a great chance.
why don't they put his mum in the car? Wasn't she running a pyramid scheme? Can Kamal Albon jailed for 6 years after defrauding investors of £7.5 million?
He's not done anything.
You know what? You really are. Everybody went into this race, cock in hand, expecting a banger. But to be honest, it was still kind of shite. Yeah, there were a few nothing serious incidents, but apart from that, it was the same boring processional shite.